Making cuts on a bandsaw is a pretty safe operation. Unlike the table saw where the force is coming back at you, on the bandsaw it's all down into the table. That doesn't mean, however, that your workpiece might not have a little bit of tension built up, and that can start to cause the kerf to close on the blade. Now, worst case scenario, this is going to cause it to be a little bit harder to make your cut, and it can lead to some saw marks and maybe a little bit of burning. While resawing lumber, Roger Page of Columbia, Missouri, came up with a pretty simple solution to keep his kerf open. He uses a quarter, starts to make his cut, and then inserts the quarter into the kerf. That leaves his kerf nice and open, and he can continue to make his cut. Now, he found that a quarter was going to be perfect for his saw blade. You might just have to change it and use a different coin for yours and just match the kerf size. But then, once you have that coin in there, you can make your cut without worry.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that tip, be sure to subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. We're always adding new shop tips and woodworking videos every week, so hit the bell button to be notified. Plus, look for project plans and downloads in the description below.